Hi guys, this is Nenad speaking. I'm just setting up my charts. Just give me a few seconds. I will actually make this much better. Give me a few seconds. 3rd September. We are starting with Forex recap, and this is it. So basically, we had a great week, successful week, and I hope that you enjoyed setups and that you actually made money along with me. That is what I like to hear, like to see. And of course, today we will have more setups, trading ideas. As always, each Monday, new setups and new pips. So let's start with risk disclaimer, explain that CFD and Forex are leveraged products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So please have in mind that those are not suitable for everyone. Forex trading is risky, and this is my personal opinion only. Have in mind that we trade with rules, and rules are we give price a breathing room. So we always need to enter within the zone. It's called the POC zone. Add a spread to your stop loss, even if you trade via ECN account at 2 to 5 pip spread, depending on pair traded. For equities, you also need to add a spread to your stop loss, and we always take one position per listed pair. It's either position or alternative trade, but whichever hits first. Also, alternative trades are called counter trend trades, and trend trades are called positional trades. First touch of the zone is the most profitable, and that is why we are always focused on the first touch. And of course, for every single pair, you need to add the spread to your stop loss. These setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. Scalp trades should be done at or very close to important support resistance levels, and all those trades are calculated by historical levels and Camarilla. At these levels to your system, pay attention to trends. You might find other trend-based entries, and the term pips pool, it is the maximum available number of pips you could have made on my recap entries, okay? And okay, guys, so last week we had excellent result. 40 pips with euro dollar, 100 pips with pound dollar, Australian dollar positional trade. And if you traded the breakout trade, you could have made even 110 more pips. Dollar yen was also good for 100 pips. BTC was either, depending on your stop loss, minus 100 or plus 300. I will show you. And total pips pool without this breakout was 200 from 280 to 680 with the Bitcoin. So again, we made a great result. And of course, even if you want to trade more with me, these are free webinars, but we have also paid webinars. It's called ECS Live Service. You can always sign up on our website to ecs.live. Chris and I send setups there. And of course, we are keeping the track of results on my FX book. I will show you my FX book, of course. I'm always transparent, always straight to the point, guys. And here it is. Just give me a few seconds. Yeah, so basically, this is the result that we are currently running. Some small losses I had because I traded the gap. Unfortunately, it was not a very good trade, but yet again, it's nothing because now currently running a good trade basically on dollar CAD, and I expect this account to be even bigger going course. You see, I think it will be over 50, it will be more than 55% up if I get this trade running even more. So guys, excellent results. Come here, trade with us. Trading is business. Trading is very interesting. I like how I basically love trading. So yeah, these are results, technical trading, Camarilla MACD method, real account, everything is transparent. You won't find it on the internet. A lot of people on YouTube, a lot of traders on YouTube talking about trading, talking about, I don't know, some money, but they never show you these results. So I always say, guys, if you want to trade successfully, join our trading and check real results, because this is what counts. Real results are always the best, and we are not fakes. We are real traders, okay? Okay, now let's move on to our main subject webinar. So trade of the week was the dollar yen. Definitely the dollar yen was the trade of the week. And I'll show you now. This is the euro dollar. Euro dollar actually was in uptrend. We had a buy position, okay, and we had a sell trade. But the actually what happened is that 400 and wait, just let yeah, I didn't use the correct slide. I think it doesn't matter. This was basically a winning trade. I don't know why I didn't use the slide, but it made 40 pips. It made definitely 40 pips. It was 13.90 buy and sell 14.80 27th of August. Yeah, guys, here let me show you quickly. Euro dollar 27th of August. Here it is, guys. You see, basically the price, as we can see from the slide. Okay, here it is. You see, okay, not an ideal, but still it was good. This was an old slide, but you know what I'm talking about. It was 40 pips, a great win, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Basically, euro dollar is, yeah, this is the old slide. This is correct. Euro dollar 1630 buy, sell 1755, and watch it here. Okay, this was a buy trade, and this was potential maximum result. Okay, yeah, just made a wrong slide. Pound dollar, buy 28.50, sell 29.55. What did you do? You basically bought at 28.60, right, where I said this vertical line always represents the time of our webinar, so we are checking it like this, and you can see what happened up. I hope that you took some pips on this trade because it was really a good one. The Australian dollar, positional buy, sell, whatever. If you bought it here, then again you made pips. Straight. The Australian dollar is really very good for beginner traders, and it's very suitable for beginner traders. So yeah, I think that it's easy for beginners. And now, of course, it went down. So if you took a breakout trade below 7305, so you made profits there, and you took a breakout trade, it dropped even further. Dollar yen, definitely the trade of the week. One really of the best trades that we made for the previous week, and for me this was the best one. You see what happened. Buy trade around 110.95, so it was in the zone here, and then the price went up straight 100 pips. So as I say, guys, all of these are free signals, and you're free to invite all of your friends and all of your trading buddies here. And of course, for even more signals, go to our ecs.live, sign up. You see here, nice spike to the upside. The BTC dollar, well, the BTC dollar, as I said, depending on your stop loss, okay, it could have been either sell or a buy trade. Sell trade actually took here, but you see it was, I said stop loss 7105. Maybe some of you put it higher because then it dropped for straight 300 pips. But yet again, even though if you made a loss with the BTC dollar, you could have easily sold it with a breakout of the Australian dollar because it made even more than 110 pips. This was just hypothetical result. As I said, the Australian dollar is generally in downtrend, and selling on rallies is the way to go now at this point. Now, let's get back to our setups for this week. Sell position 1670, stop loss 1720, TP 1550, buy trade 1550, stop loss 4090, TP is 1670. So sell position is also where we can actually make a trade. I will show you, but I would go rather for a buy, although as I say, I'm not sure what will happen, but I will show you. So yeah, and if you ask what is this trade? This is a trade course that I'm running from my ECS live channel. So I'm taking trades that I take on that I post on Telegram. I'm taking here on this account. So you see, it's everything is transparent and clear, and the risk is very, very small, guys. Okay, now euro dollar sell position 1670. Okay, euro dollar 1670. Okay, I will use Camarilla MACD MTF version 2 for this. Yeah, because also the dollar CAD trade is Camarilla MACD version 2 MTF, multiple time frame. So euro dollar, it's generally a downtrend, but I really expect some divergence if it drops there, and it's close to daily L3, weekly L3, and also this is the middle band here. So I expect the price I expect to make a U-turn and go up. Now, on the contrary, if the price gets to 1670, I expect it not to break above 1720, and it could make a move towards 1550, because 1670 is also a nice spot to sell. We have a previous sellers here. You see trend line break, sellers initiating retest. We have the ATR, we have the daily H4, weekly H4, and it's above middle Bollinger Band, so it can make a U-turn and go further down. So I really think that this trade could be also a winning one. So buy from this zone, sell from this zone, easy, right? So this is what I think it can happen this week. The GBP dollar, it's in downtrend. There was some news during the weekend regarding the GBP dollar, and the GBP dollar really spiked. It actually spiked heavily to the downside, making a gap. At this point, it looks like a runaway gap. The close of the gap hasn't happened, and I think that this is a strong downtrend in GBP dollar. So I would rather sell. And 29.30 is sell, 29.60 stop, TP 27.40. So we can possibly sell at 29.30, and this is how it looks. If it gets there, 29.30, a good level to sell, because the Bollinger Band will get here. This is also weekly L1, daily L3, close to ATR projection, and we have an order block here at this point. So for this trade, I expect if it pushes up, it will probably get here, maybe close the gap, and then proceed lower. But this should go even more to the downside. Also, if you take a look at my Camarilla MACD, here I will open the GBP dollar 4-hour chart. You see that the price now is below weekly L3, so this could be a retest and then down. Weekly price is also going down, pushing it down. Daily is, well, it has a gap, so 4-hour, if it closes the gap, then it should drop, but I expect a further drop in the GBP dollar. But let's see what will happen first. Next one is the Australian dollar. Sell around 72.50, stop loss 73.10, TP 71.40. Yeah, this, you just don't look at this, guys. Below, this is basically yeah. Wait, this is what I need to correct it. It's not a breakout because we don't have a breakout set up. It's a leftover. So here, this is the Australian dollar. 72.50 sell, stop 73.10, 71.40, and possible buy 71.40, stop 71. Okay, 72.20 is the TP, and yeah, this is how it looks like. The Australian dollar, if it gets here, guys, middle band somewhere here, making a U-turn, I think the price will definitely drop. To me, this is looking a bit bearish again, and I'm waiting to see if 71.40 will hold, but this is just zigzag, bearish zigzag, complete zigzag. I think we will see a further drop in the Australian dollar. Dollar yen is sell 111.50, stop loss 112.10, TP 109.90, buy trade 109.90, stop 109.50, TP 110.50. So dollar yen is a sell trade, okay, and again, if it gets a little bit higher, okay, here, okay, I expect the price to make a U-turn, and then we could see a further drop, and the only buy trade, guys, is 109.90 if it gets there, but I'm not sure that which direction it will go. It's in no man's land. So 109.90 weekly L5, daily L5, this is the level to go long, because dollar yen is a bit slow. It doesn't have a big movement, and I think it's better to wait for a sell if it happens. But at this point, it's really, really ranging a lot. Okay, next one is the BTC. Yeah, I didn't make a BTC analysis. I will do it right now, guys. Neglect this. I will exit from this. I will enter new levels now. The BTC is, we will do straight analysis, okay? Because some things have changed. You see a big spike here and a big gap. So my look is to buy around 70, 80. So this is the level to go long, because if it closes the gap, this is the level to go long, guys, okay? This is the gap, but it could be closed, and this is a further push to the upside. We have ascending trend line, daily H3 level, okay? A lot of confluence here. Order block, guys, okay, here, order block, weekly H1. So the BTC is 70.80. I will type it now. Stop loss is 69.80. And the target, guys, I would target, of course, weekly H5, possibly 75.40. This is where we could sell 75.40. Well, it's volatile, very volatile. 76.40 stop. Fixed stop loss and retest of 73 is okay. This is it, the BTC dollar. Okay, so again, wait, a lot of typos here. Position buy, alternative sell, and the BTC is in uptrend. Sorry guys for these typos, but I'm managing a lot of things here, trading, whatever you see. So this is the BTC. This is definitely the BTC. And I think that this could be a valid trade. Okay, so I will roll the slides again. And you can ask me questions regarding different markets. I hope that our results will also be as very positive. Once more, guys, always check who you trade with. And don't forget that we are real traders. These webinars are free. We are running a paid channel, ECS Live on Telegram, where we send even more signals, and not just signals, but doing webinars and trade management. So you can sign up here, okay, on here, guys. Yeah, so just go through this. And of course, all results are verified with the MyFX book. Okay, MyFX book. Don't forget, guys, every real trader should have MyFX book, because MyFX book is the proof that someone is doing a good or, well, mediocre or a bad job, whatever, I don't know. But keeping the stats this is manual trading, okay? So, yeah, let's keep it real. Okay, let's get back to your questions. the first question is what do you think about pound yen and gold? Pound yen and gold. Okay, I will just put the pound yen here. Yeah, I would sell on rallies. Definitely, I would sell on rallies here. This looks very, very, very bearish to me. And yeah, if you ask me, I would go for a sell here. I don't know. I wouldn't. You see, this could be a potential buy, but I don't think it will be a valid buy trade. It needs to break some trend lines. No divergence here. Market is calm, so it could go down. Maybe bite a little bit lower. If it gets here, this is the level to sell. Sell. So manual, this is bearish. I would wait for a sell trade, especially because it's a GBP and it's in downtrend. Gold. Next question is gold. Ranging, basically. Left, head, right, head and shoulders here. So sell here, eventually buy there. This is the level to sell here. You see, this is bearish market at this point. Even here, I would sell. And it's going down slowly but steady. So ranging at this point. Buy from this level, sell from this. Nothing interesting to trade, really, now at this point. New Zealand dollar, maybe it will make a retracement. If it does, then again, sell. This is, again, a sell trade here. Definitely. Close to weekly H3, it could make a U-turn and drop. So this is the level to sell. New Zealand dollar. Euro yen. Same, sell here. Sell. Wait for a U-turn and sell. Maybe this could be a sell, but I'm a little bit skeptical, not sure. I would rather wait for here, but this could also be a sell trade. Maybe if it breaks this weekly camera below 128.93, it could go down. But from either from this spot or from this spot. Yeah, Guled, you're right. 900 billions in tariffs are expected to be levied on China this month, negative for Aussie. Yeah, Aussie is going down. Guys, sell. I would also definitely go for a sell. Even now, at this point, I was thinking to sell and put a stop loss of 100 pips, but I don't know, really. For me, the Australian dollar is sell on rallies, definitely. Dollar CAD is bullish, guys, because the price is already, the Bank of Canada, I think the hike has already been priced in, and definitely dollar CAD is bullish. Watch this. This is a big, big, big. It's like a not rounded bottom, but this is a way, way, way strong. So if the price closes above weekly H3, and it should definitely 4 hour, wow, we're still going down. I'm long and I'm keeping my target to 3200. That is my final target, 3180, 3200 for the dollar CAD. I think the dollar CAD really should go more to the upside. Buying the dip, of course, and I'm still in running this trade, and I think it should really go up. Definitely. Daily time frame. Well, yeah, I mean, you have a flag here, of course, big daily flag, but this is bullish. I think this will be broken and the price will go more to the upside. I'm bullish, definitely bullish on dollar CAD. And you saw my trade. I'm running it. GBP Swissy. Okay, GBP Swissy. I'm not trading that much GBP Swissy. I don't like it particularly. Maybe I should start, but definitely it's a good pair. You see, definitely it's a good pair to trade if you get the right moment. Yeah, I would wait for either this level, a retest, double order block, or this level here. So sell on rallies. GBP Swissy Tomasz, sell on rallies. If you go counter trend, your stop should go here, but I would advise you to go definitely waiting for the trend. And this is the level to sell first because this is double order block. GBP and the dollar Swissy, the dollar Swissy. Let me see, I have it somewhere here. Yeah, dollar Swissy. Yeah, nothing very, very interesting here, I guess. Yeah, this could be a counter trend, but again, I would sell it here. If it gets to weekly H3, I would sell it here. Yeah, definitely. Pasindo is saying, nice trade with the dollar CAD. Great. Thank you, guys. And please, it's always important to make comments below videos. If you like it, when I post these setups, just put a few words behind videos saying that you like the videos or something, because really this is very important for us, and we really want to get all traders come to trade with us, because we are here to make money, guys. We are very serious about it. We are not making false promises, and you know that. I mean, if you've been following me for 10 years, you know that NKT is always straight to the point. And Adam is asking about DEX. Yeah, DEX 30. Let's see. DEX is here. And you see, ranging market. It could go up because of this confluence here. And I guess it might go further up. But if you want to see it further up, you need to see the trend line break and close above this level, weekly Camarilla. You need to see it above this level, and then it will go up and short it there. Mookie dollar CAD has already went 50 pips in our favor, so I really cannot say that you're too late now. I went here, guys, and you see, I mean, very, it's Camarilla MACD trade. So yeah, I mean, if you want to enter, I don't know, it's too late. It's already gone. It's 50 pips up. So I sent the message on Telegram, and I know that you are a live member, ECS Live. I mean, if you're still with us, and I think you are, but now it's too late. Yeah, it's too late. I sent the message today on Telegram channel. It's too late, really. I wouldn't go long now. Eventually, if you see a retracement down, then, but next 50 pips, and I will probably scale out. And yeah, I mean, that was it. The Australian dollar, I would wait for the Australian dollar. I would wait. Definitely, I would just wait for, I don't know, a little bit higher, where I said 72.50, and then bang, we should enter. So I hope that this helped, guys. If you have any other question, and yeah, Chris is asking, do you know what caused the large spike in most currencies today? Well, first of all, you have bank holiday, and bank holiday is something that when you have a dollar and CAD bank holiday, usually whenever you have it, there is no one to defend support and resistance levels. There are no banks to defend those support and resistance levels, and with no banks trading, there could be some spikes up and down. Generally speaking, the GBP dollar had the biggest spike, but it was caused by some, well, I say Brexit thing. Again, over the weekend, it has nothing to do with technicals except for bad. I think it was PMI result, but mostly it was due to Brexit, because the price opened with a gap. And now at this point, well, you see the price is still bearish. It's going over, but it's still very, very bearish. So I would say combination of weekend news data, and definitely it was due to holiday. But if you're not sure also where to look at, I always advise you guys to search the forexlive.com. This is the best website for providing real-time news, and eventually something happens here, They will. It's an excellent website, so just go for it. Mookie is saying that he wants to add some more on this trade. Well, Mookie, I don't know. I usually add when the price drops, but now at this point, really, I don't know if I should add, because then the stop loss would be a bit higher. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. I think that you should go more to the upside. Chris is saying brilliant, thanks. Yeah, no worries. I mean, Chris, just guys, forexlive.com, perfect site. A lot of news, a lot of fundamental coverage, and you will know when something happens why actually it happened, if it doesn't have anything to do with technical analysis, right? Yeah, okay. So Maud is asking about Euro Audi. Okay, Euro Audi, Euro Australian dollar. Okay, let's see. Euro Australian dollar. Again, this could be a long trade now, but to me it's a little bit late to enter a trade, but this could be a long trade indeed. Let's just check a few things. Yeah, definitely this is a long middle band breakout, in close inside, bang, break of this trend line, just a little bit, you see, a couple of more pips. I think this could be a long trade on Euro Australian dollar. Yeah, it looks like a long. So guys, that would be it basically. If you don't have any other questions, I will roll the slides, and this webinar will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. So watch it, guys. Make some comments. It's always good to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, it's always appreciated, guys. I mean, to us, it means much, of course, because we are really, really all over the internet on Forex Street, our own ECS Live, all the Admiral Market videos, and so on. And of course, yeah, we are making a big seminar in Slovenia on 22nd of September. So if you're able to come join on evanbright.com, you have tickets. It's free. There will be some handouts. We will have probably a networking event and after party. So feel free to join, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys. Wish you a great trading day, great trading week. Come trade with us. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Love you all.